how to make global leaderboard in Roblox. For today's video, I will show you how to make global leaderboard in Roblox. Without further ado, let's get into it. Step 1. Create. On your Roblox Studio, tap the view on the upper section, then tap the toolbox icon right here. After that, click the 4 boxes icon. Then there is a global leaderboard. If you don't have a global leaderboard in your inventory, then you might need to download the global leaderboard in the marketplace in Creator Hub in Roblox.com. After that, just double-click the global leaderboard. Step 2. Edit. Then, on Explorer section, tap the drop-down beside the leaderboard and delete the thumbnail camera. Under the leaderboard, tap the drop-down beside the screen, then double-click the script. The script should appear there. There are only 4 things in the code you can change. It can be anything you like. You need to change first the currency name into what type of leaderboard it is. Then the list size will show how many players should be on the leaderboard. Then the update every. Now what this does is update the leaderboard every 10 seconds. You can change it to update the leaderboard every time you like. Lastly, the minimum requirement is like the qualification for a player to be on the leaderboard. And that's it. That is how to make a global leaderboard in Roblox.
We hope this video is helpful, and if it did help you, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. If you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover, please make sure to leave it in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching!